Hello and welcome back. Now in this video I'll be sharing with you a PLP file about one of carousel I made a post on my Instagram page. Now this you can view it, edit it, study it, use it in creating your own carousel for Instagram. Now I'll be making another video on how you can create a seamless carousel for IG, but just stay tuned. Now the password to this PLP file will be displayed on the screen. Please just make sure you're watching it. I won't talk about it, but just watch the video. It is going to display somewhere around. Now in case, because in this video I won't show you how to install it, to add this PLP file to your Pixellab. I'm just showing you the PLP file that I'm sharing. So how to install it, check the video description, or check my channel, some of my other videos on how you can install it. Okay, so this is the first page. Alright, so this is the first page. Embracing greatness, Lily's journey of overcoming fear. So this is the first page. Now you can just come here, view the resources and use it for your taste, Now this is the second page. You can study it, look at how I created mine and use it in creating yours. Then you can, this is the page 3. Okay, now if you look at this text, how did I come about my text? You see my shadow. I actually applied shadow on those texts. I made it 14, offset Y 3, blur radius 2, and I gave it a particular color. Alright, so this is the page. Page 3. Now this is the last and final page. Now I'm going to show you how you can also install it to your Pixellab. Alright, so this is the image. So you can just come here and once you don't save it, save. Now peradventure, when you see the picture of this lady and you want to keep them for yourself, to yourself, or any of those icons, you can just come here, hide everything. Yeah, hide everything. Okay, now look at this. The picture of this lady is just one out of many. Okay, all I just did was just to reduce the size. I'll come here to crop, then I'll just click on this side. When I increase the size, you can see you're having the old picture of the lady. Now you can just come here, click on transparent, come to click on save image. Make sure it's on PNG, please. So when you save it on PNG, it's not going to have background, but if you're saving it in JPEG, it's going to get background by itself. And you click on save to gallery. I don't want to do that because I have the image, so it's going to appear somewhere in your recents. It's going to appear somewhere around here. If it's not appearing there, just come to your file manager, come to Pixellab, then it's going to appear somewhere around here. Now if you look at any image I've saved as JPEG or PNG, they actually, like, look at this one. I saved this one as PNG. That's why it's not having background. You know, that's the dark one you're seeing is a shadow. Okay, so that is okay. How do you now cut the carousel into two parts? This is panorama cuts. So this is the app I'm using, splitting my carousel after I've created them. I'll come to new swipe post. Now just locate that post we created. Then carousel post we created. Now I just shared with you. Now yours, wherever you've extracted it to, probably it should be somewhere in your download, because you downloaded it and you've extracted it. you know, also I'm sorry, not download, in Pixellab now. Yours should be in Pixellab because you've already installed the, if you don't know how to install it, please check the video in the description of this video. It's going to teach you how you can install a PLP file to your Pixellab. Okay, so let me, okay, so this is the video, the picture. Now make sure it is in 2 because I only did it in 2 parts, not 4, 2, and you click on this OK. So it's just going to load. It's going to take a while, and it's going to load. It's going to load. Now that it's loading, you can see it is, you can now swipe it into, to just click on this check mark. So it is saving. So so that you can see it is now in 2. When let me just go and check it. Okay, now look at, it's now in 2. So look at this is the second one, this is the first one. Alright, so then you can just come to your IG page, click on this plus, just wait for it to load, then make sure you're selecting multiple, click on select, then the first one, that is the first page, you click it first, then the second one, which is the body, you click it second. So this is only 2, then you click come to next. So look at, see, look at it, the first page, second page. No, when I come to next, so I just add your caption, but I don't want to do it because I don't have a body post, which I've not done. Alright, so more or less that's all for this particular video. We'll see you in the next one.